How to center taskbar icons in Windows 10. First, you have to hide this search bar by right-clicking on Taskbar and then selecting Search, and then you have to click on this Hidden Now, right-click on any empty space in the taskbar and uncheck this option. Lock the taskbar by clicking on it. Now again, right-click on Taskbar and in Toolbar Options, click on Links now. Right-click on Links and make sure that Show Text and Show Title are both checked. If they are not, then you can check them by clicking on it. Now you will see two vertical lines on the left side of the links. Click and drag links to the left side of the taskbar near the Start button. Now use the two vertical lines before the taskbar icons, click on it and drag them to the center of your taskbar. The icons won't center automatically, so you will need to center them as best as you can on your screen. Now right-click on Links and uncheck the options. Show Text and Show Title links are no longer visible. Now lock the taskbar by right-clicking on the taskbar and select Lock the Taskbar. So that's how to center Windows 10 taskbar icons. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.